I I hear something. I hear someone. Oh, look. It's Hef, the IT guy. Hi, Hef. How's it going? Oh, hi, Comet Troy. It's been a while. Or has. Hey, would you be willing to show our viewers that Google map, that custom Google map you made for me on the Linden camp property as we were planning it all out? I don't know. It's Sunday. It's my day off. I'm just relaxing, taking it easy today, just hanging out. I really don't feel like working. Pretty please, with sugar on top and a cherry. All right, if you insist. I guess I could dust off the computer and do a little bit of work and show your viewers what I did for you. Come on, follow me. Let me tell you about him. He is a nutcase. He walks around here in his robe all day long. He works for a bank in IT computer security. You couldn't tell it by looking at him. You know, he's a full-time RV'er. He gets up out of bed, doesn't set an alarm, just when he naturally wakes up, he gets out of bed, puts on his robe, uses the bathroom, sits down in front of his computer and logs on for the day. In that robe. He just sits there and just works in that all day. What a life, I tell you. Well, I think he's missing a few screws, so you got to be a little careful. Well, I guess we know what Comet Troy thinks of me. Hi, this is Hef, the IT guy. Links to all the channels, everything down below in the description. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next video.